Hello YouTube. I'm going to do a quick video on the unboxing of the Canon Vixia HF-R700, what's in the box, and I'm really excited to use this. I've heard really good reviews about this camera. Got this out of Amazon for right around 195 bucks. I'm sure you could probably find it cheaper. I did see one in Walmart one day. It was like $159 on a closeout. Kind of wish I would have bought it, but they didn't have the boxed books or a lot of stuff for it, so it was a display model. Usually don't like getting those because of all the scratches and all the stuff that's on them, but it wasn't a bad deal. But I've already opened up this box and I've already taken the plastic off everything. What comes in the box is obviously the book, the Getting Started book, and then there's another one here, Transfer Utility LE. Imagine it is a software, I'm guessing, to help you transfer it to your computer. Oh, shut that up. Notice it was a brown box. So I thought that was interesting. Other unboxings I've seen, they're the shiny cardboard. Maybe they went to the brown just to be a little more green. Hard to say. A little plastic thing that wasn't broken when I got it, so it should be fresh. First off, what comes in the box? Well, actually, the camera, the battery. Battery is easily, I see the rating here and a little arrow. I'm guessing that points up. Here's the contacts, and here's the little catch for it. So let's see if I can get this up real easy. Actually, some weight to it. I'm not sure how heavy it is, but it isn't really all that heavy that you're going to wear yourself out holding on to it. Charger, pretty important. Charger's got a flip out prongs for the outlet. It's a 5.3 output DC, 1.5 amp. Has its own proprietary charging port. I don't know if you can see that or not. Haven't seen anything like that ever in my life before. Comes with a USB cable. Really no surprise there. It is a mini, not a micro. Kind of like the minis, a little nicer than the micros, but my own personal preference. It's your regular A side. There you go. This is my surprise here, is it come with a HDMI cable for transferring to a TV, the video. Has camera end, TV end. Nice deal. Camera itself, before I open it up here, record button, start, stop, record. Here's telephoto, wide telephoto. Does have a curtain here. I would call it a curtain probably. Don't want to say it, call it a shutter because it's not really a shutter, but it's a curtain. Really a short throw on that. It also has threads. I've heard others say that you should get a neutral filter to put on here to keep the junk out of here. Good point there, Jim's Equipment Shed. And right here is the openings for the microphone. Obviously looks stereo. Well, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, on the bottom side here, we have the 1/4 inch, I believe 20 thread for your tripod, and then the locating pin. Looks like the serial number and all that good stuff's on the bottom here too. Let's open up. If you look here, I guess one thing I didn't have quite right I thought it was 36. It's 32x optical zoom, 56x advanced zoom. I'm really excited to try this on. I have an eagle's nest that is about half a mile away. I need to talk to the owner before I film, because if I can't get a decent shot of it, I'd kind of like to walk up on his land a little bit and see if I can get a shot of the nest. Open it up, it turns on. It's kind of a nice little feature. Gives you the date, time, and different things that you can select here. I'll have to read up on these. This is not really a review or training on this. Has an external mic, which is kind of a nice deal. I did not want to buy another camcorder unless it had two things: external mic and flash memory, or your SD card memory. We have AV out for headphones. We have HDMI out to hook up to a TV if you wanted to do that. You have USB out. I'm guessing this is to transfer files with. You have an on and off button and a play button. The screen will tilt down, will tilt up and forward. It's kind of nice, and shut. Before I shut this is where the memory card sits. I'm going to finish up this video with a little closer views here. Sorry, the last time I did it, you're not very friendly as far as being able to see anything. So mic, this is the menu that's on here on the screen. Here's the mic. AV out. As I said that, AV out, I'm guessing that you can put that tip ring sleeve 3.5 millimeter jack in here with all the if you can find one like that. They're usually floating around. I think that's the type of a plug-in you can plug in here. I might be wrong, but since it says AV out, I'm guessing it's got video, right and left audio, and a common in there. Microphone, would be interesting to know if that is actually a stereo microphone plug-in. Tip ring sleeve one. The HDMI out here, the USB, and then got your on and off, got your play, and you have your SD card, little door there, and to take that out, just push it, pull it out, put it back in. I just have a regular SD card, high capacity one in there. That's pretty easy to figure out. It's not going to actually record until you shut this door. And let me see if I can show you some of the things a little closer here. Here's your microphone. It is a threaded ring there. 43. Not sure if you can see that or not. Yeah, there we go, 43. I think that means the millimeters across. I might be wrong on that. And before I was showing you the proprietary port for the charging. There it is. And underneath, pretty obvious stuff here. But there. All the goodies on your 32x optical zoom, 57x advanced zoom. So yeah, let me see if I can actually show you a picture of the battery too here. I mean the spot it plugs into. Here is your battery. It gives a voltage on it or not. Too small for me to read. I'm guessing probably 5 volts. Since the charger's 5 volts, right? 5.3 volts, actually. There you go. What I left off last was the it quit recording on me on the card there. So pretty much I think I've completed my unboxing here, and just kind of a quick, not a review, but pointing out all the different features on it. Intelligent ion battery. You can see that. Focus. There you go. Oh yeah, it does have a nice handle hold there. And the weight, I did mention that before. It is 10.6 ounces or 300 grams, whichever you prefer. That's pretty light. Should be able to handle that pretty decent. I shake a lot. Apparently it's got image stabilization. Somebody was saying actually on one of the reviews to shut that off, and it does improve something or another. So I'll have to see what happens there. I'll have to do a little bit more research on this camera. First off, I'm going to go see if I can do some recording with that and get that put up on online here. I see here it says DC 3.6 volts. So it's amazing what they run, low voltage they run things off of nowadays, isn't it? Hey, thanks for watching. I know I've rambled too much here. Have a great day. Bye.
If you're liking these videos, please subscribe to my grandpa's channel. Hit the subscribe button right here. I think it's here. Oh well, thank you.